Hi, Miss Huddle.
Mrs. Sexton, did you just park your horse?
Yes, I did.
How was your day?
It was amazing. We had such a good time.
Dun 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 dun, we have a special guest.
We do have a special guest. Everyone say hi to Ethan.
Hi, Ethan.
Ethan, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
All right, and this problem's about you, Ethan, so do you want to read it?
Ethan bought Legos and a 3DS. The Legos cost $48 and the 3DS cost 5 times as much. How much does the 3DS cost?
Okay.
Ethan, you've been saving up some money and going shopping. You must do those chores.
So, Ethan, if I want to start this problem with drawing a bar model, do I draw 1 bar model or 2 for this one? How many bars do I draw?
1.
Are you sure?
2.
Yeah, 2. Why do I draw 2? Because there's 1 for the Lego set.
1 for the 3DS.
Oh, because they're
Good.
two
Which
separate
one's
things.
bigger?
The 3DS.
3DS is going to be bigger, so I'll draw the Lego one small. And how much bigger is the 3DS?
5 times as.
5
Okay.
times, so there's 1, 2,
Oh, sorry,
3,
Mario.
4. Oh! We'll just draw on top of Mario.
Sorry,
Fine.
Mario.
All right, so there's the 3DS. All right, so Ethan, do I know the value of any of those bars?
Yes.
What do I know?
The Legos cost $48.
Good. Do I know the value of the DS yet?
No.
No, so that's what I'm trying to find. But do I know how much each section is?
Yes.
How much is each section?
$48.
$48.
Wow.
So, Ethan, what operation would you use to solve this problem and figure out the value of the DS?
Multiplication.
Very good. So, we're going to do, what's our multiplication problem?
48 times 5.
48 times 5. Tell me how to do this problem.
So 8 times 5 is 40.
Can I write 40?
No, so you have to put the 0 in the ones place and the 4 in the tens place.
Yeah, because that's 4 tens. Okay, now what do I do?
You times the 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20.
Are we talking about 21s, 2010s?
20 tens.
2010s. Okay.
And since there's another 4, you have to add that.
Okay.
So 20 plus 4 equals 24.
Perfect. So I have 24 tens. Can I write it like that?
Yes.
Yes, I can because it's the highest
No
place.
place.
Okay. Am I done?
No.
What do I need to do next?
You have to add the Legos.
Wait, are
and
you
the-
sure? This just says how much does the DS cost.
No.
Am I done?
No.
What do I need to do?
You have to write a sentence.
All right. So what's my sentence supposed to say?
The 3DS costs $240.
Perfect.
Ethan, is that a good price or is that way too expensive for a 3DS?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, we could research, but man, I'm proud of you for saving up your money. And doing great math. Way to go.
Yeah. All right. Well, now Ethan told me I wasn't done because he knew a secret, Miss Huddle.
What's the secret?
He knew that there's another part to this math problem. So
Dun,
should we
dun,
look
dun,
at the second
dun.
part?
I would love to.
Okay. All right. So Ethan, read us the second part of our problem.
How much did Ethan spend all together?
Okay. What operation do I have to use for that?
Addition.
Addition, because I'm wanting to find how much the Legos and the 3DS cost, right? So I need to find that number right there, and I'm going to do it by adding. What's my addition problem?
240 plus 48.
240 plus 48. Do you see an easy way we could get that one done?
Yes.
Tell us how to solve that.
Because 8 plus 0 equals 8. So it's 8 at the end.
Okay.
And 4 plus 4, as we all know, is 8.
What does that really mean, though? 8 ones, 8 tens,
10s.
8 tens in the tens place. Okay.
And then there's no hundreds in 48. So it's just a 2.
So 288. Am I done?
No.
Why not?
You still have to write the sentence.
Oh, tell me what to write.
Ethan did $288.
Ethan spent $288. Wow, that's a pretty good price for a DS and a Lego.
A Lego set? Wow.
Yeah. A Lego
Especially
set.
if, since he paid a little bit too much for the DS, maybe it came with a free Mario game.
Oh, that'd be really cool.
Whoa,
All right.
good shopping, Ethan.
Okay, well, Ethan, thanks so much for helping us out. That was super fun.
Ethan, high five. Giving Ethan high five.
Well, I guess you're going to get an Ethan high five tomorrow if you solve this problem. All right. Have a good night, third graders. Practice these kinds of problems so you'll be ready for your test. Hey, when's our test?
Tomorrow.
All right.
Get ready.
Get ready.